How to fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down. Head towards the option of Accessibility. Open it. Now over here you're going to find different sections. Under Physical and Motor, you will find the option of Touch. Open it. Now head towards the option of Touch Accommodations. Toggle on for this option of Touch Accommodations. If you have trouble using the touch screen, adjust the following settings to change how the screen will respond to touches. So, go ahead and toggle on for the option of Ignore Repeat, the duration in which multiple touches are treated as a single touch. By enabling this option, it will ignore repeated touch within a certain amount of time and they will be registered as a single touch. By default, it is set to 0.10 seconds, which means it will ignore multiple touches within that time frame. You can also increase or decrease it by clicking on this plus and minus icon. After you customize these settings, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Ghost Touch on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.